Hey everyone, welcome to Bricks Brothers. I'm Josh. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this truck into this. I already have a video on how to make the trailer longer, so for now we're just going to set this over here. And the video for that will be down in the description below, so check that out. So take a look at all the parts we need. Go ahead and pause the video and get these all together, and then we're going to start building. So make sure you have lots of brick separators with you, because we're going to be taking apart some plates off of the base of this. But for now, we're just going to try to get this cab off, and you can easily do that by taking the brick separator and getting it underneath this 4x4 plate. Comes off very nicely. Take this piece off. We're going to be using this, but you can set this right over there for now. Take both of these off, set them right over there, and same with that. Take this 2x4 plate. We won't be using that again, so you can throw it over there. Next, we're going to be taking off this bottom black plate. And we won't be using this again, so you can also throw that over there. Take your 2x8 black plates. Take one of them and put this right on top there, and then take this 2x4 dark gray tile, one stud on here and then the other three on this one. It will go down just like that. Set that like that. Now we can take our axle over here, stick it on just like that. Now this is for some detailing. We're going to take these 1x2 snap pieces, and then I already had these pre-made, but go ahead and take a short break, make these. They'll be going on here like this. So make these real quick, and they'll go on right back here. Now take a 1x2 black plate and put it right in there. 2x2 black plate right there. Take these two corner plates, take on just like that. Now we have our base here, and you can bring this piece back over here, the tail lights with the license plate on there, and that just goes on the back. Now take your 2x8 light gray plate and stick it on there. This piece can go back on here. Take the last two 1x2 black plates. One goes there. The other one goes right there. Take this, go ahead and take it apart. We'll be using this again, so don't throw it too far away. Bring this piece in. We'll be going there, but don't stick it down quite yet. Now, take this piece and stick it down on the back here. Just like that. Yep, that's down all the way. There's a small gap there, but that's okay. And now, this piece will be going right there. Whoops. Take these and put them here and here. You stick that down on there now. Leave 2 studs here for these pieces. Take the 2x4 black plate, stick it on the end, and then this 1x2 brick will go right there. Now you can bring this cap back in here, and it will go on right there. And now for the venting system. Here are the parts for the venting system, but if you want to stop now, you already have a pretty good looking truck. I will show you how to build it anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. First, there's a couple things that we're just going to build separate, so you don't have to worry about it later in the video. So take your 1x4 bricks, and 1x4 plates, and 1 plate on top of a brick, and then another brick, and then another plate. Set that aside, and bring in 2 2x4 plates and 2 1x2 plates, and bring in your tiles, all of your blue tiles. I actually don't have 2 2x4 like blue tiles, so I'm actually using some 1x4. But if you do, I would recommend using these 2. But we're going to go ahead and put that on like that. Same to the other one. And then take the other blue tiles, the 1x2 blue tiles, and put them on the bottom there. So set those 2 things aside. Bring in these 2 pieces here. Stick them on the back right there, just like that. And put this right here. Now take your 2x2 orange brick. It doesn't have to be orange because the color won't be showing. And all of your snot bricks. These also don't have to be yellow, but they can't be headlight bricks because that won't work. So put these on the sides of the orange brick. And we'll go ahead and take this and put it back there. Just like that. Next, we will take this piece and set it on top of the orange brick. And take some black 1x2 plates, and we'll just be wrapping it around. And these are not the specific pieces you have to use to have this. I'm sure you all know that, but you know, just kind of follow the amount of plates we use, and you'll have something that looks like mine. And now we'll take a blue 2x4 plate, and a 2x4 brick. Set that on top there. Oh, it's not pushed down quite all the way. Okay, set that on top there, and then again wrap it with the 1x2 plates. Now take the 4x4 plate with only those studs on the side. Stick it on top, just like that. And now take our, I guess we can do these grill pieces, these ones here, and stick it right there. Hang on, let me see. There you go, the right lighting. So they kind of curve up to that overhang, and then take the 1x2 grills and they run horizontal underneath. Just like that. Now take these sloped bricks and put them up on top. Now we'll put these other pieces that we made earlier on the sides. And there you go. So thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time. Bye.